Today we are making butter garlic prawns aglio e olio. Super garlicky, rich and buttery, absolutely delicious and so comforting. Try it once and you'll want to make it again and again. Start by marinating the prawns, pat dry and add crushed garlic, chilli flakes, black pepper, a pinch of salt, lemon juice, coriander and olive oil. Mix and rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Meanwhile, boil spaghetti in salted water with a few drops of oil. Cook it until al dente, that means cooked but still firm to bite, not mushy. Now heat butter in a pan and cook the marinated prawns for 2 to 3 minutes, just until they turn pink. Remove and keep aside. In the same pan, add extra virgin olive oil. Keep the flame low and add sliced garlic. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes until lightly golden and fragrant. These steps build the entire flavor of aglio e olio. Add boiled spaghetti with a splash of pasta water. Season with salt, black pepper and basil. Toss gently so that the spaghetti absorbs all the garlic oil. Add the cooked prawns back in the pan and finish with Parmesan cheese. Toss once and switch off the flame. Serve hot with a drizzle of olive oil, extra Parmesan, and do not forget a crispy garlic bread on the side for the perfect pairing. If you enjoy this recipe, do not forget to like, subscribe and share.